Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making a spicy, flavorful and absolutely delicious recipe that's Daal Keema. This goes really well with rice, rotis, naans or parathas. To begin this recipe, we'll take a pan and add in about half a cup of oil. You can increase or decrease the amount of oil according to your taste. To this, we'll add in 2 pieces of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, and 2 green cardamoms. We'll fry these whole spices for a minute, and then we'll add 2 finely chopped onions. Now we'll fry the onions till they turn a nice golden brown color. Once they are browned, you can add 2 heaped teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and then we'll fry it till the raw aroma from the ginger garlic paste goes away. Now we'll add in about 500 grams of washed minced meat. You can use any meat of your choice for this, and I had washed this minced meat and left it in a strainer so that all the water has come out. You can see there's not much water in this. So we'll roast the keema along with the onion and ginger garlic paste till there is no water left. Now we'll add in the dry spices. I've used about 2 teaspoons of crushed coriander, 3/4 teaspoon red chilli, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, and about 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli. You can add the chilies according to your taste. We'll also be adding some green chilli at the end, so please add in the chilies accordingly. Now we'll fry this keema along with the spices for a minute or two, and then we'll add in 2 finely chopped tomatoes. We'll cook this really well on a high flame first. Till the tomato is cooked well. Once it's cooked, we'll then add in the soaked chana dal or the Bengal gram dal. This I've used about 3/4 cup for this recipe, which I have washed and soaked it for at least 3 to 4 hours. Since we are not going to pressure cook this dal, make sure it's soaked well. Otherwise, you can pressure cook it. But in this keema, the dal has to be in its proper form. If it is mashed, it doesn't look good. So it's better if you cook it in a pan rather than a pressure cooker. We'll add water according to our need. If you're using it with roti, you can add about half cup. If it is with rice, you can add about 1 cup. We'll close the lid and allow the dal to cook along with the keema for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see it's really cooked well and it smells amazing. Let's check if the dal has cooked. It's almost cooked, so I'll just cook it for another 5 minutes. Close the lid, and I cooked it for 5 minutes. Now the dal is ready. Please try this recipe and also subscribe to my channel, share my videos and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Now we'll add in about 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder to this. We'll add it right in the end because that's when you get the nice flavor, and kasuri methi about 1 tablespoon. And then finally we'll add in the chopped coriander leaves. We add these ingredients right in the end to preserve the flavor, fresh flavor from these ingredients, and also some chopped green chilies. I'm not adding it finely chopped, otherwise it will get too spicy. So I've just roughly chopped the green chilies. We'll add some more water to maintain the consistency. Close the lid and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on a low flame, and it is ready to be served. Please do try this recipe this Ramadan and then let me know in the comments section if you liked it.